Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up the upload of orders from Ecwid on Monday.com. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new orders from Ecwid to other systems. For example, on Monday.com you can create notes based on new orders from Ecwid, conveniently store, process and interact with it in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. To get started, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Ecwid data source system. Now you need to specify an action. If you want to receive new orders, select Get Orders New. At this stage, you need to connect your Ecwid account to the ApiX-Drive system. Enter your login and password to your Ecwid account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. At this point, you can edit the settings. This system does not provide additional configuration, so just click Continue. At this point, you can set up a data filter. In this case, this is not necessary, so we also click Continue. At this point, you see the test data. If everything suits you, click Next. Choose Monday.com as the system. Next, you need to specify the action Add Note. Now you need to connect your Monday.com account to the ApiX-Drive system. In the window that appears, fill in the API key field. To do this, let's go to your personal account Monday.com. Go to your account settings, then to the Developers tab, then to the My Access Tokens tab. After that, copy and paste the API key into the corresponding field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. Specify the board and group Monday.com to which data will be uploaded. You now see the Monday.com fields for creating a new note. You can assign variables from Ecwid to these fields. To add a variable, click in the field and select it from the drop-down list. When all the required data is assigned to the fields, click Continue. Now you see an example of the data that will be sent to Monday.com as a new record when a new order comes from Ecwid. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Monday.com. After successful submission, go to Monday.com to check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue the configuration. At this stage, the data reception setup on Monday.com has been successfully completed. Next, you need to enable Auto Update. Select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.